loyal. They don't want to bring turmoil. Can't really handle when we boil.
Leaves and flowers, they have like a relaxing effect as well. So I've been to the leaves and flowers.
May Project Garden is an award-winning grassroots organisation that works with a lot of marginalised communities. We do various things from putting events to running in different educational workshops to learn how to grow, how to get back in touch with nature.
Years of human trafficking, enslaved Africans brought a vast amount of plant knowledge and plants. They literally like braided seeds into their hair.
When you get recognition and someone says, actually, you are doing good work, it reminds you what you're doing it for. So it's really helped me kind of just feel good about our direction again and how do we basically continue doing our work for the next 15 to 16 years.